Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable spell check on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in mail.aol.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your AOL Mail account. Now go ahead, tap on those two letters on the top left corner, then select Request Desktop Website. Once you do that, in couple seconds, your screen will look somewhat like this. You're gonna have to go ahead and tap on Settings on the top right corner, then select More Settings. Now go to left side of the screen. From there, you can see options like Personalized Inbox, Appearance, Mailboxes, Notifications, and Writing Email. Select Writing Email, then scroll. Now, once you go there, scroll down, and you're gonna see Check Spelling Before Send option as your last option on the Writing Email. Turn it on, and there you go. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable spell check on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.